SSJ says wait. Well, we're too committed at this point, SSJ.
What? I'm waiting. I'm Pepe meltdowning. What? So here's the deal. I'm introducing StratDigital. Oh.
Hello!
Yay!
What's up?
The music is loud, Panic! Okay, let's do it.
Open the computer.
We're opening the case.
Yeah! Let's go!
So let it drop out.
Hold on, dude.
Well, it's already broken. Oh well. Hey, how do I take this off? SSJ. Well, it's over. We can't do it. Don't be afraid. Like, just pull up on the corner with this one screw coming out. Oh, there we go.
Oh, big.
Well, it's like, what about this bottom part, though? Dude, it's not coming up from this side. Tie it to my car and start driving, says Priest Patrick Star. What do you mean, pull? All right. If you... Oh, hey! Let's go!
Oh,
Woo! Good shit. All right. Oh, dude, the feeling of pulling off plastic. Yeah.
Oh my god. Fine, just rip it.
Ah! Ah!
We're too far gone at this point, just rip it.
Ah! Yeah, we're building on the carpet, Pog. What? Does that matter? Fine, I'll build it on the... I have a mat right here. Holy shit. You guys are so picky. Oh god, I'm actually like kind of nervous. I hope I don't something up here.
You want your tubes up here or down here?
This?
Yeah.
I don't give a honestly, I really don't care at all. Yeah, I'm almost finished, dude. Yep, we're almost done. Right.
The thing is I installed my liquid cooler and I don't even know if it's correct. So I'm glad you're all here. This is the one thing I didn't want to do on stream, but we're doing it first.
Does this look right to you?
Yep, clock.
Alright. It's not right. Flip the fan.
What about this? This is big brain. How about one goes in and one goes out?
Yeah.
So you have intake and outtake.
That actually makes sense. Dude, get in there!
Louis says arch your back more.
I can't.
Guys, Zach can't get it in the hole.
God, we should do 2 of these fans too. Oh my god.
The fan. This should be the easy part.
Yeah, let's go! Alright, we got it. Nice. Alright, we have installed a fan. So before you got here, I had a little bit of an issue with my COTC. It was like kind of flaring up a little bit. I almost decided to like not have you come over.
What?
Yeah, my COTC.
Nice.
You know, my corn on the cob. Oh!
I didn't ask. I'm too good.
Comedian. Yeah, 3070. You're a pleb with no 3070 or above. You streamer. All right, last screw on the mount onto the radiator.
I can feel my brain cells expanding as I put this on my radiator.
Placed fans onto a mount onto a radiator. So now I have to put it back in, right? I have to...
Yep.
So for the motherboard, we have a B550 Tomahawk ship mag.
Hello, Brian Matthews.
Ow! I have a cramp on my foot. Ow! Ow! I have a cramp on my foot, man! Why do they make these boxes like this? I can never figure out how to open these. Flip on the inside of it. Like, do you just pull like this?
Dude, there's a flap.
Oh, shit. Alright, we're good. Alright, here is... Holy f***. That's the motherboard? Look at it. Oh god. Okay, what do I do? What do I do? I don't know what to do.
This is going to
What
go...
is that feeling on the bottom? It's like sticky.
Don't touch it.
I don't know what to put
Touch
on.
the sides.
Okay.
No! Do not put it on the ground.
I'm not putting it on the ground. There we go. Is that good?
Yep.
Alright, it's in! Add CPU and RAM, you goofball. Okay, I'm gonna listen to everything that SSJ is saying. Everything that anyone else is saying is irrelevant. I'm sorry. This is stressful. Like, there's 10 different commands going on right now.
SSJ, where are the motherboard screws? In the Mobo box.
We have like little screws, but that's not.
Standoffs are probably in the case box. Pick up the case, there's a box in it.
I 100% got everything out of the box.
You can take the motherboard out for now and take off the back panel. There's a box hidden.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's a mid-tower. Oh, there it is.
We found it!
Wow, yay! So, should we do CPU first or RAM first? God, you're gonna make me do this.
CPU first.
Oh god, oh god. This is the part that I'm actually nervous for. Okay, this is a Ryzen 3900 XT. Oh, Jesus.
What's wrong with your camera?
I don't know why my camera does that.
How do you fix it? Ah!
Let me do this. Hang on. I'm taking you guys for a ride. There we go. My desk?
Yeah, lean forward. Cover it with shadow. Look, it goes away. It goes away.
Oh, maybe it isn't my desk like my.
Yeah, it's like the thing.
Oh Jesus. Okay. I know. I see where it goes. I'm just nervous. Unlock it first.
So this arrow, you see, it's gonna go right here.
And I just have to go straight down.
Straight down.
Oh my god, dude! I don't know if I can do this. Like, I need more light. Like, dude, I don't even. Is that it? Yeah, let's go! Jiggle it to make sure it's set right.
You have to lock it.
Okay, so now we're doing RAM, right? We got 32 gigs of DDR4. Yeah! Actually, you can't even really see it. Okay.
And push it in so it flips.
There we go.
You have to push in the clip.
Alright. Alright, so now we're putting it back in the case, right? Alright, so I'll move the camera again. And it just shut down before. Oh my god, bro, it's so weird that it does that with the fucking
Table?
Yeah. Like the design of the desk. I thought it was my webcam, just like 1 terabyte of Reno SSD. It's really this small?
Yeah.
That's insane, bro. That's so tiny.
So you slide it in. And then you'll push it down. Yeah, no, that's good. So you'll put it down. And then we need to screw it in.
Oh, no, I just screw it like that? Okay. Dude, my hands are too big, man. This is pissing me off. My hand is too big for this.
This thing's so small!
Dude, it's really small. This is hard. I mean, I get that they want to make small shit now, but yikes. So put the screw in the little dip in the SSD and then go down with it there.
Who suggested that?
Oh, that's
SSJ, you're so smart. Ah! Okay, it's going back in the computer.
Oh god. I'm doing it. I'm putting it in.
SSJ says wait. Well, we're too committed at this point, SSJ.
What? I'm waiting. I'm Pepe meltdowning. What? Alright, it's out.
Put the AIO bracket while it's out. Oh, okay. Because the screws are.
The tubes are towards
the
Strat,
screws are
right?
at the bottom. The screws are at the top. You see that? That's how you screw it into the plate.
Where did that go? Wait, what?
Those screws, this thing,
Yeah.
will go right here and right here.
Oh. Oh, so I have to flip the case around.
Sure.
And the tubes are going this direction, right?
What the?
What?
Keep going.
What happened?
It's fine.
What's on the bottom?
That's thermal paste. Don't touch it.
Wait, well, it looks like it's up.
It's. Why do you have hair on? Get the hair.
I don't know.
You put it.
Hang on,
You
hang on.
put it on
hold
the
it.
carpet.
I don't know if it. I didn't know I wasn't supposed to like touch that part of it. Dude, I am telling you that it touched nothing. Like, I'm telling you, it was hanging this entire time. It didn't touch anything. Well, first of all, I didn't know that it was on this part of it. I'm stressed! Okay, so I guess we're just gonna have to go to Best Buy really quick. Alright, Strat, I'll be right back. Thanks, dude.
Yeah.
Oh my god, dude. This is where it gets stressful. The wires. Damn, this is like a mess of shit in here right now. I still I don't see any paste or anything. Check my right sock. Nope. Nothing. Oh, I see part of it, yeah. Oh, so it touched like my skin. How did that happen? Tell a joke? Your face, bitch! Ha ha! Ha ha! Yeah, honestly, we could do the cum paste strats. I don't know why I didn't. We are back with the thermal paste.
Motherboard installation.
And then these go outward, right?
In.
Oh, they point in?
Yes.
So I'm putting it in this
Correct.
direction.
Yep. Easy clap.
Oh my god! Oh my god, dude.
Now we have to.
Now
we have to figure out how to do it, right?
Now
So,
we get nervous. This is where shit might go south. Just wipe the whole thing off. I mean, there's like some hairs.
Get the hairs off.
Take them off?
No, use the damn cloth to wipe off all the thermal paste.
Yeah, there's no more hair. That's right. So now we put paste on and put it on the thing?
Yes, sir.
Oh
so,
god, okay.
So look, I'm going to show you how it's going to go on.
Okay, if I accidentally put too much, what is that, like, is that...
No.
Okay. Dude, I wonder what this tastes like. It kind of looks good. It's on! We're, like, pretty much done except for GPU.
Now, where the do these things go?
Yeah, we still have these last cords that we have to put in here. Guys, we're almost done!
Take these.
Make sure it boots up. That'd be kind of cringe if it didn't boot up. Ow! What did I say? I sat on a wire.
What if it doesn't boot?
Shut up!
What if he broke the CPU?
It's not gonna boot.
What if
or it's not gonna not boot.
What if he broke the CPU? What if he bent a pin?
You guys excited for me to stream Majora's Mask and Pokemon on this 30 series build? Hey, at least we won't drop frames when I open up a window. Check it out.
Jesus.
Yeah! 3060 Ti.
Did you take off the PCIe covers on the back case? No, we're doing it now. I think we have to take 2 out.
Right, guys? I'm a master at reading
Hello.
messages.
GG no narwhal.
It's in, baby.
Yuck.
I don't think they heard that.
Chat, did you hear that?
I just shit myself. Is this it? And then we're done?
That's it.
Oh,
Do it, dude.
I'm afraid it's gonna, like, go.
Get your clip buttons ready.
Hang on, which
It's
is...
gonna explode. I'm just waiting for the computer to just come bust.
Okay, here we go.
Uh-oh.
What? Is it on the wrong thing?
You gotta do a countdown.
Oh, it's not plugged in.
Countdown.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh no.
Flip the switch.
I did.
Do it again. Just flip it down. Shit!
You broke it.
Let's try it in the outlet out there. I'm gonna see if that works. We think the power supply is dead. There's not even an indicator light for the power supply. I'm just like confused. Oh, it's working. What? Wait, what's grinding? I mean, we should probably turn it off, right? Oh, that. Okay. Okay, well, it's on. Wait, what do we do differently?
We unplugged it and plugged it back in.
Yeah, we literally just, we just unplugged the 24-pin motherboard thing and plugged it back in.
Who suggested it?
Wow.
Who suggested it? Bishop Stars.
Bishop Stars.
What a legend.
Let's go! Alright, me and Strat are gonna get tacos.
Twitch.tv/StratDigital.
He dabs for every follow.
If you like World of Warcraft,
Yes.
check me out.
Yes.